I'm going to be showing you guys my waist trainer, and I'll be doing waist review, and also I'll be leaving down in the description box if you want to order, how you can order it. So you can hit me up on Facebook, and I'm going to show you the magic that this killer, do I want to say killer curves? Yes, it's killer curves. So I'm going to show you guys the magic this killer curves did to me. So if you're new to the channel, click on the subscribe button, stay tuned, press on the notification bell, and do not forget to leave down a notification, a comment below, and also leave a thumbs up if you find this really interesting. And if you feel the need that you really want this so badly, yes, I'm gonna leave everything right down in the description box, how to order, how to hit me up. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna start with this. I already put this on before, like I made a mistake and I had to put this on. So this is size medium. This is actually not my size. This is size medium. I always like, this is not necessary anyways, but this is just my preference. I like using this. So this one is size medium. You can actually wear this first if you're staying at home though, if you're not going out with it. You can actually wear this first. I like putting on this first before putting on my waist shaper, because I stay with my waist shaper like 8 hours every day at home. So you can see it's very comfortable. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on my waist shaper, which is size medium. Can you see that? Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. Yep, that's size medium. Actually, my actual size is size 14 and 16. I wear 14 top and 16 down. Okay. Yeah, so I actually went for the size medium because I wanted something that is gonna snatch my body real good. So let me show you guys how the magic that this thing does. Guys, wait, okay, just wait for it. I told you guys this is not my size. This is size medium, okay, and I really prefer size medium. So bear with me while we do this together. Oh, let's not forget, I'm going to be using the second step. Okay, this is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the third step. So I'm going to be using the second step. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. See that? The second. I can't even look downwards because of this. Can you see the magic? Can you see? Very comfortable. Okay, so guys, yeah, can you see the magic? Can you see the curves? Let me pull my dress down a little bit. So guys, can you see the magic? Can you see the curves? Can you see my back? Yeah, so this is how beautiful this look when you put it on with this. Like I said, everything is very affordable. You can hit me up on Facebook and you get this for yourself. Can you see? And you can stay with this at home all day. You don't need to put on bra. You don't need to. Can you see? You do not need to put on bra. There's no bra right here, so you don't need it. Okay. Can you see how comfortable this look? You can actually dance with it. You can do whatever you want to do with it. Can you see the killer? Ooh. This is so magical. It's so magical. This is the best waist shaper I have ever got, okay? And the buyer, they don't say the buyer, the seller is exquisite. So hit me up on Facebook to order. It's very affordable, very comfortable. If you need the two together, it's up to you, but like I said, I prefer using the two together because I want a good job. Anyways, I want a good and a quick job, so I prefer to use the two together. Can you see? It's very comfortable. Look at my back. It's not puffy, it's just so straight, and you can wear this in your dress. Can you see? Can you see that? The best waist shaper ever. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Like I said, check right down in the description box on how to order this beautiful waist shaper. You can stay with this at home all day if you want to. Personally, I stay with this at home 12 hours every day, okay? I started using this not long ago, I think like 2 to 3 weeks now. Every day, and there's a great improvement. Guys. So it's up to you if you want to stay with it at home all day. It's up to you if you want to dress with it out. That's totally up to you. Can you see that? Man, this is so beautiful. Where's the lump? There's no lump. Can you see the curves? So imagine me wearing this for like 2 months. It's gonna be extraordinary. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe.